I've been standing on that business and my orders on go. The way that I was raised, I ain't never gon' fall. I wake up early to eat good, I need my eggs and toast.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Tactical Trelle, and I'm back with another video, man. Before we get started to this video, man, make sure y'all go ahead and smack that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, man. Go ahead and hit that notification bell too, so you will be notified every time I post a video over here, make an announcement, go live or whatever on YouTube, man. Anyways, man, we still on the road to 1K miles. Appreciate all the love and support that everybody been giving me, dog. I really appreciate that jump. The giveaway is coming this week, man. Giveaway will be coming this week. I will make that announcement. I'm gonna do it on YouTube and Instagram. I'm trying to figure everything out though, like how I'm announcing and everything. So y'all bear with me with that. But anyways, man, we got a special video for y'all today, man. Today we're gonna be testing out which firearm is best for home defense, man. So you know what I'm saying, we got shotgun out here, you know, 'cause I know a lot of people like to go old school, use a long shotgun. We got the short shotgun, or whether you want to go short rifle, you know, a short rifle round in the pistol platform, or pistols, man, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be testing out which one is the best for home defense, dog. And I brought my GoPro today so we can get a little point of view footage, you know what I'm saying? My brightness looks so low. Yeah, man, so y'all can get some point of view footage. I had to fix the brightness right then. But anyways, man, hope y'all enjoy this video. We about to get set up. Before we get started to the video, man, y'all comment down below what y'all use for home defense. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause this is my home defense round right here. I got to go 10mm, man. I'm going 10mm. This is my only gun that I leave out at nighttime, 'cause this is what I'm picking up if, you know what I'm saying, I ever had to defend my home. So, 'cause I want to make sure this big round right here, I want to make sure my target is completely deleted, man. So please don't get no idea, 'cause if you're breaking my house, your mammy can't save you.
Breaking my house, your mammy can't save you. I'ma tie your ass up, I'ma fuck in your ass.
What?
Yeah. But anyways, man, we about to go ahead and get set up. I think I'm gonna set up the trash can because I ain't got no barrels out here yet. So we're gonna get set up and y'all let's see how we set it up and everything in a few minutes. All right, man, so I got the GoPro set up on my head. And the first one we're gonna try out is our long barrel shotgun, because you know this is traditional home defense, you know what I'm saying? You old school, or you got a granddaddy, he gonna tell you all you need is your long shotgun to defend your home. So we're gonna try this one out first. We already loaded up and everything. Like I said, I'm gonna cut the GoPro on, but I'm gonna give y'all a view from over here as well. Hopefully I don't shoot my camera with the shotgun spread, but anyways, man, we about to go ahead and get behind that. We're gonna pretend that's like a wall. You know what I'm saying, like a wall of your home. You got to clear your home, clear the wall. But anyways, man, we can go ahead and get this GoPro on, get set up and go ahead and get it rocking. Okay, so the shotgun ain't feel too bad. It's still, I feel like it ain't comfortable coming around that corner though. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause when I got the first man and I had to go over there, it's really not comfortable swinging the gun around the corner. But anyways, man, we gonna switch over to the next gun and see how that feel. All right, man, so y'all seen how the long barrel shotgun was. I feel like that's it's too long, you know what I'm saying? I don't feel comfortable when I'm swinging that corner, as y'all said before. But anyway, we got the next gun, short barrel shotgun, pistol grip. We gonna see how this feel coming around the corner and seeing if we can even hit the target for one, because y'all see my last video with this gun. This gun is not accurate at all as far as like distance wise. So we're gonna see how good we can do with this, how comfortable it is to us, see if it's the right fit to defend your home with. Alright, y'all, so this gun right here, a no-no. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't get not one target. Well, I think I probably hit like a couple pellets on it. I think it was buckshot in this. I don't know what kind of rounds in here. But I feel like this I ain't got enough control over it to for it to be depending on saving my family life or not. You know what I'm saying? So, you got a 590 Shockwave, 590S, Mossberg Shockwave. I wouldn't recommend it to defend your home with. So, we about to move on to the next gun, see how that do. Alright, y'all, so my next gun is my personal home defense weapon, you know what I'm saying? My 10mm, my Smith & Wesson M&P 10mm 2.0, M2.0. Like I said, man, that round right there, you come up in my crib, get hit with one of these, ain't no, you might well go and cancel it, bruh. Anyways, man, we're gonna go ahead and get some, see how good the pistol feel coming up. And then we got a 9mm too. So I'm gonna just really test and see if I feel like this is too aggressive for the house. You know what I'm saying? If I want something a little bit with a less recoil. But we're gonna go and test that out. So y'all stay tuned. Cut this GoPro on. Beep. Yeah, man, I definitely say that she feel good, man. I can't even sit here and lie. This gun it's aggressive, but it ain't, you know what I'm saying? I'm a grown man, so you know what I'm saying? It ain't too aggressive. You feel me? I feel like I can handle it pretty well. I only missed a couple shots on it, but yeah, man, I feel like this right here gonna stay my home defense gun. Pistol feel way better. Come around that corner, you know, you ain't got no restriction. You can go anywhere you want to go. You know what I'm saying? Cause you ain't got nothing but a handgun. You feel me? So anyways, man, we're gonna move on to the ARP next, see how that feel going through the crib. Alright, man, so we got the ARP now. I hate shooting this gun, man. Actually, I really hate shooting this gun. We got our dot on, but yeah, man, we're gonna see how comfortable this is coming around the corner. I wish I really had more barrels and more targets so I can really move around like I want to. But anyways, man, we're gonna go ahead and throw one up in there. See how she run. You know, man, this ARP didn't feel too bad, you know what I'm saying? It's in a short frame, so I can really, you know what I'm saying, I'm already bigger than way bigger than the gun. This gun too small for me, so I'm already feel like you feel me, I can really move like I want to. So yeah, man, this I might consider making this my home defense, man. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you can get around pretty good with this gun, man. With the brace all the way out. I feel like you can get around pretty good with this gun. But we got one more gun, which is my baby. Y'all know how I feel about my Glock 19, man. We gonna see how that feel. Already, I'm about sure how that's gonna feel. But anyways, man, y'all tune in while we go get that loaded up. All right, man, so we got my handy dandy Glock 19, man. You know what I'm saying? My baby, gun that I'd never get rid of. This gonna be passed down to my son and his kids, and generational gun right here, man. I love this gun. But I got my TLR. You know what I'm saying, my stream light on there. But anyways, maybe we'll go ahead and rack one up in here, see how we do with it. Yeah, man, my baby, tried and true, dog. Anyways, man, I think that's gonna wrap it up. I ain't got no more guns to shoot. I ain't bring no more guns with me, man. Yeah, man, I hope y'all, let me take this goof ass looking shit off my head. Yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Y'all comment down below what do y'all use as y'all home defense. You know what I'm saying? Do y'all go rifle, pistol, shotgun, short barrel rifle, short shotgun? Y'all let me know, man. I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, and like the video, man. We on the road to 1K, dog. I'm trying to get to 1K. I ain't rushing it, you know what I'm saying? I'm letting the process take its time, you feel me? But anyways, man, don't forget to share the video, dog. Tell your mama, tell your sister, tell a friend, and tell a friend you did what I'm saying. Always remember, man, keep that shit tactical.